Payday Super represents a shift in how superannuation contributions are made and monitored. While much of the focus has been on employers, the changes also have practical implications for SMSF audits. From 1 July 2026, super contributions will need to be received by funds within 7 business days of payday. This replaces the traditional quarterly contribution cycle. For SMSFs, this means more frequent contributions, weekly, fortnightly, or monthly. The impact will be noticeable where funds receive contributions from unrelated employers. While employers face tighter timing rules, SMSFs still have up to 28 days after month end to allocate contributions to member accounts. In practice, contribution data, cash receipts, and member allocations may not align immediately. Auditors will need to reconcile payroll data, bank transactions, and member records. This increases reliance on clear documentation, including contribution records, bank statements, SuperStream data, and member allocation records. Online SMSF Audit supports this by centralizing audit workflows, documentation, and supporting evidence. This helps auditors manage reconciliations and maintain clearer audit trails across multiple transactions. As Payday Super increases the volume and visibility of contributions, structured audit processes become essential because stronger documentation supports better audit outcomes.